Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how to create Wix website step by step. So while we like using WordPress to build website for its flexibility, Wix is a solid website builder option for folks who prefer a simpler, more hands-on website building experience. So to see Wix is in action, you can check out our collection of real Wix website examples. So here quick look at highlights of using Wix. So visual drag and drop editor. Easily customize any template without needing to touch a line of code. So 500 plus pre-made templates, choose from over 500 highly optimized, customizable and eye-catching templates. Artificial Intelligence Design Tool. Wix can create a website for you using its Artificial Design Intelligence Tool ADI. So Wix apps. The Wix app marketplace contains both free and premium apps including businesses, promotional and blogging tools, e-commerce functionality. While it is not heavy-duty commerce platform, Wix include everything you need to sell some products. So built-in hosting, security and maintenance. So because Wix is a fully hosted solution, hosting, security and maintenance of your website are taken care of you. So how to make a Wix website in 6 steps. Create a Wix account. To make a Wix website and Wix, you will first need to register of an account. Open the Wix homepage and select get started. You will then be asked to enter your email address and create an account. So after answering a few short questions about your new website, the sign up process is complete. Next, you will be asked whether you want to create a website within the Wix editor or let the Wix ADI tool design a website for you. So let Wix ADI create a website for you. Although Wix Artificial Intelligence Designer ADI is a useful tool, its design and customization options are limited compared to the Wix template and editor. Therefore, if you have a basic understanding of Wix design, and I mean basic, you can click. So, however, if you are totally new building a website, then Wix ADI may be a good option for you. So after selecting start now, the tool will then ask you a few questions about your new project. Make sure you carefully choose the design option that most appeal to you, as the ADA tool will design a website on your answer. So mastering the ADA editor. So the ADA editor is a easy of navigate, but here are just a few pointers to get you started. Elements. Click on an element to customize it. The setting for a selected element will appear in left hand menu bar, where you can then make any necessary alterations. Options include changing the images, writing text, adding buttons and more. Add a page, select page, add page from the top menu bar. The select from a range of new page type and pre-made page templates. Design. Click on design in the top menu to change website theme and layout or alter good color, fonts and more. So however, if you want more control over your website, you will be able of asking the ADI and selection your own templates. So choose a Wix website template. So choose a Wix website template to find design that match your site. You can filter the templates by category, and you can also view each template in demo mode. Once you have found a template that fits with your project, select edit. So customize your website with the Wix editor. So once you select a template, you will be able to customize it in the Wix editor using simple drag and drop editing. To get started, clicking on element on the page of alter setting the size or responsive, it case, color, retweeted text and much more. Any changes you make will appear in real time, so you will instantly know how your site will look to visitor. So menu and pages. So under menu and pages, you will be find your site pages, how you can add new pages as well as rename, hide or delete pages and change the order that they appear in the menu. This is also where you can access the page setting option, which house a few options. SEO, add metadata to each page to help your content get found in search engines. Social share, and add the image and text that will be displayed with each page and shared on social media. Permissions select who can view each page and create stick content on member background. So Wix allows you to change the background color or image or display a video background. Wix has extensive free media library to select from, or you can upload your own media elements. Under add, you can add a wide assortment of elements to your website pages. So video and music buttons and forms. To add an element to your site, drag and drop it in the appropriate place on a page. Blog manager. So if you want to add a blog to your website, select the start blogging icon, then click on add now to add the Wix blogging manager app to your website. Using my blog, so top menu. There are a couple of other important Wix editor features that you can find in the top menu bar. That includes page quickly toggle between the pages on your site and your blog, desktop mobile switch between desktop and mobile mode to edit your site for both devices type, setting access global setting for your website and a few analysis and much more. Publish your Wix website. To make your website publicly accessible, you need to publish it. To do so, click Publish from the top menu. However, before Wix publish your site, the last step in the process is to create your own subdomain or connect a custom domain. For a serious website, you should definitely connect your own custom domain name rather than using a Wix. So in this video, we discuss about that how we can create Wix website step by step in 6 steps. So I hope you will enjoy this video. See you in next video.